Ooh, welcome, man. Woo, it's hot in here. Ooh, welcome to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. All right, what's going on? Ticky noise. Ticky noise. Hold on. Wait. It's not what you think, guys. It's ticky noise from inside, okay? At least that's what they're complaining about. Now, right now, I don't hear no ticky noise. Let me turn this AC on. It's hot in here. I don't hear any ticky noise. What do they mean? When the AC on. Now, one could assume, let me do this. Y'all know, now this is a 300, Chrysler 300, 08 model, 07, I want to say. A lot of the, not just found out, not just Dodge, guys. A lot of car makers have this issue. And what I'm talking about, I'm trying to see if it do it first. Let me turn off, y'all know where I'm going with this. Let me turn off recirc and turn recirc back on. What I'm going with this is ticky noise. If you're dealing with ticky noise from inside, when the AC on, I guess it's hard for them to get out all the information, so I have to pull it out. I have to duplicate it. Okay, let me turn the recirc back on. Okay, so that's not what they're talking about. Normally, you turn the recirc off and on, you hear that tick, 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 tick. And what that be, guys, is the recirc actuator. Okay, I don't hear the noise after turning the AC already on, but if you turn the recirc on and off, if it was the recirc actuator during the closing process, it would tick. Remember, guys, there are 3 modes of operation on a typical AC system. Okay, what do we have here? This is dual, all right? Dual climate setup. In other words, I can control the temperature out of the driver's side and the temperature out of the passenger side. Why? I do not know. I don't understand that technology, guys. I'm sorry. If the passenger side is hot and they want AC, and the driver's, ooh, it's cold over here on this side, wouldn't that cause, I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm not going to question automakers and their weird, I don't know, but cars are set up like that. It's split it straight down the middle. All right, you cold, you hot. Why can't everybody be on the same page? Well, anyway, this is a dual temperature climate setup. All right, so I can control the temperature on each side. Now, as far as mode doors, yeah, we're talking floor and vent, floor defaults, things like that. Now, all of these modes have actuators, guys, that can give off a noise. All right, so don't just think it's just that the recirc is the one that always give you problems. Okay, so yeah, and then you got the speed. See, I can turn this to hot, and I can turn this side to hot. So I guess, why would you be in heat mode if the AC off? This is the AC. So yeah, that's burning hot. So let me turn these back to cold. So I don't know what to make of this. What else would call? Y'all hear that? Ah! I duplicated it. But what did I do? Hold on, guys. Hold on. In fact, hold on. Let me take a break right quick. Hold on. I'll be right back. All right, guys. Before the break, y'all heard the noise. So what I got my scan tool. I don't have my laptop, so it's hard for me so y'all can see. Now, let me bring something up. This is the HVAC module, which meaning it's on the bus, which meaning if you had a good scan tool, you can diagnose it. Okay, now let me show you guys something. Remember what I said earlier, dual climate setup. In other words, I can control the temperature on this side and this side. So I didn't get that noise out of the recirc, on off for the recirc. And y'all notice I went through the mode. So the actuator is not noise on this mode. So it had to have came from one of these blend door actuators, either the driver's side or the passenger side. So let's do them one by one. I'm changing the temperature of the driver's side right now. Yes, that was quick. It's getting hot over here, guys. Look, it's cold over here. See how crazy that is? You're gonna cause a tornado in this vehicle. I'm tripping, guys. That's a joke. So let's go back to cold and be quiet. Let me see if my suspicious is true. How long did it take last time? Not long at all, because remember, that door is doing this. It's going slow, but it's headed to the cold mark. And it's going to stop right there. All right, so we ain't getting nothing out of the driver's side. Let's do the passenger side. Let's go hot. Hey, it just turned hot, y'all. And it's cold over here. Go figure. Why would anybody... Okay, we're not going to go there. We're not going to do that. All right, let's go back to cold. Full blast cold. How much time was it the last... I got default stuff on. That's it. That's it, guys. So the problem is the passenger side actuator. I don't know. The computer have a way of monitoring the travel. If that actuator motor travels too far, it could do that. It could be broke internally, but it will set that code. In fact, I guarantee you the code gonna say passenger side blend door travel exceeded. Something like that. Something to that effect. Yes, it's on the, let me do it again. It's on the passenger side, guys. So let me go back to full hot. Let the mode change. Let it get hot. It is getting hot. It is burning hot. Now let's go to full cold. Let's see if it do it again. Man, it's not doing it now. There you go. Alright, no camera tricks, guys. I left the camera alone. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to hook up my scan tool. Remember, guys, I don't have my laptop today, so I need my phone to pull up the codes. Here's what I do for you guys. I got my scan tool right here, and I can pull this up via my phone. But right now, I'm recording on my phone. So what I'm going to do is screenshot the fault code. I want to go out on a limb and say the code going to be passenger side blend door actuator travel exceeded. All right, so let me take a quick break. I'll be right back. I'm going to go grab this code. I'm going to screenshot it for you guys. Hold tight. All right, guys, right blend door travel too large. I knew it was something to that effect. Okay, guys, now be careful, though. Just merely thinking the problem is the actuator. The problem stems from the actuator, but you could easily have a mid-case problem, guys. Okay, the door could actually be broke. So what you need to do is get down there and verify the damage, the extent of the damage. You may just simply, you can get away probably, most of the time I've gotten away with just the actuator, but I don't want to go out on a limb and say, that's your problem, all right? But that is exactly what I'm going to write up, all right? And if it sells, it's fairly easy, guys. You just crawl down there and 3 screws holding it, and there you are. But I just wanted to go over that with you guys, man. Hey, I love chit-chatting with you guys. All right, so the ticking noise is not what you think. I know when you say, in fact, this is a 3.5, guys. So this is not a Pentastar or Hemi tick or anything like that. Although the 3.5 had ticking issues too. What we was doing back in the day for that was replacing the complete rocker shaft assembly. All right, FCA made a shaft assembly to correct that problem. And it had all the lifters and rocker arms built into one unit. Okay, so yes, but I figure we got this figured out, guys. That's all I have. I don't want this video to be long. I'm gonna go write up a blend door actuator. It's not the recirc this time. It's the right side, passenger side blend door actuator, and we're gonna go from there, guys. If they buy it, we'll talk about it and do it while we doing it. Y'all know how we do. That's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next video.